Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a smoky halo eye look. If you see that my eyelids are, I already primed my eyelids and I did my eyebrows and my face, is because I tried to do another look with purple and pink. As you see, it stained my lids, but it didn't come out how I expected, so I was scrubbing and it didn't come out and it stained my lids. So I'm just gonna do a different look. It sucks because I really wanted to do that look. I wanted to do something colorful with those colors, but it didn't work out. So we're gonna do a different look. So I primed my lids already. I set it with the powder. I used the Anastasia concealer to prime my lids, and I set it with the Airspun powder. So let's get this look poppin'. Alright, so let me start with I'm just like I didn't have this look planned. I had the other look planned, so I'm just like winging it. So just bear with me. But let me see this one. I wish I had like a smaller blending brush. That's what I need. Alright, whatever. I'm just gonna use this one. I tried to clean it, but it didn't come off. It's like this little, it's like a blending brush, a little bit more dense. But alright, it is what it is. So we're gonna start with, I'm using the James Charles palette, by the way. I've been using this palette a lot because it's the only palette I have that have bright colors, and might as well just continue using it. I'm gonna go ahead and use this brown right here. It looks that color, but it's normally brown. I don't know why it looks orange on the camera, but whatever. It's like espresso brown or something like that. I don't know. We're just gonna put this color in our outer corner. Let me zoom you guys a little bit more. Perfect. Gonna apply it right here. Just gonna blend it in circular motions. Man, I really wanted to do the other makeup look. I was very excited about it. Like in person it looked really nice, but in camera I did not. So I was like, I'm not gonna do that. So just taking it all the way over here like that, and I'm gonna put it on my outer corner as well. And blend it all the way up top again, bringing it back and forth. Like that. Okay, I'll do the same thing to the other side. I didn't know, or I didn't realize that those colors I used were gonna stain my lid. I'm like, what the hell was that? Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna use like a pencil brush. This brush right here, as you can see. We're gonna use that one, and we're gonna grab the black shadow that's in this palette. And I'm just gonna pack it in the inner corner right here. I'm gonna go get that blending brush, and we're just gonna blend in. But it won't look too harsh. I'm gonna keep doing that because you don't want to lose that black color neither. Okay. Then we're gonna grab a little bit. I'm gonna do it in the inner corner as well. I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna bring it to close it together like that. You can always go back and make the black shadow more black. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna continue with this one, and then I'll make the black a little bit more darker on that eye. I'm just padding or packing this color. I'm not doing anything else because I'm gonna go back with this brush and I'm just gonna blend it. Bringing it to the middle. Do that. The inner corner. Blend it. And connect it to the other side. And blending it, and just gonna connect it. So I'm gonna add a little bit more here, more black. Just up here. Just gonna pat it, and then I'm gonna blend it if I don't look too harsh. try to connect it. Make sure your hand is not rough, just like a feather, you know? You don't want to be too harsh and hurt yourself. Okay. Perfect. So now what we're gonna do in the middle, want to get a little bit of concealer on a flat brush like this. And I'm just gonna, but before you do that, make sure, because we're gonna use a glitter to put there. I'm using the Inglot AMC. No wait, it's 115. This one is very pretty, like the loose glitter. We're gonna put that right in there to get it ready. Okay, we're gonna grab some concealer, and if you grab too much, just put it in the back of your hand like that. Okay. Cause you don't want it to make it too wet. So I'm just gonna pat it right in there. We're not even gonna go too high up. It's just gonna be right there. Okay, and then you're gonna grab on the back of the same brush, you're gonna grab a little bit of the shadows. You're gonna pat it right in there. The shadows don't play. I'm gonna go back with the blending brush and it's gonna blend that top part. Oh my God. You're gonna clean up the glitter after. We're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. If you have any glitter on the brush, just make sure you just pat it off. Grab the concealer that you have on your palm or behind your hand. You do the same thing over here. Gonna grab some glitter. Add some color there. Gonna grab the blending brush again and make sure that everything looks blended. Okay. Now we're gonna just dust off any glitter that fell onto our face. Gonna grab like a little puffy brush like that and just brush it off. Sometimes I hate using glitter because of this, but whatever. Okay, so now we're gonna put some lashes. Now you could do a wing liner if you want with this look, but I don't want to. So I'm just gonna put my lashes on, put my lip on, and then I'll come back to show you the finished look. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back and this is the finishing look with my lashes on. I used the House of Lashes Spellbound. This is it. These are the lashes. I hope you guys enjoy this look, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.